Iwan Hughes, Prif Swyddog Datblygu Twristiaeth Cyngor Ynys Môn. Gynllun mynd yn ôl i'w 5 mlynedd ac ei prif nod oedd gwella rhai atyniadau arfordirol Ynys Môn i botensial twristiaeth hefyd i botensial defnyddio yr arfordir. Mae'r cynllun yn gyffredinol rhyw 5.6 miliwn o bunnoedd. Dros dwsin o safleoedd o amgylch yr Ynys wedi gwella. Y prif prosiect, wrth gwrs, ydy y pier yma yn Bydd. Mae yna fwy o gychod yn gweithredu oddi ar y pier, felly mae yna fusnesau pysgota ac cychod pleser yn cael eu cynnal yma.
We offer adventure boat tours on the Menai Strait. We've grown from the small seeds of one boat to having a fleet and offering a range of commercial, corporate and tourist-based activities. Since the pier has been improved, we can get passengers on and off the boat safely, and we can now operate as a business, bringing more people to Bydd. It's very much a good news story as far as the council is concerned. They've made significant investment in some of the coastal facilities, and businesses like mine have been able to benefit, not just in terms of growing as a business, but in terms of the staff that we bring in that growth, and in terms of the number of visitors we bring to places like Bydd.
My name is Alex, and I work here at the Red Boat Ice Cream Parlour, which is situated in the middle of Mae'r. The investment in the pier has definitely increased tourism to the town, because I've been out for several meals over the past week, and the restaurants are busy, and there's definitely more people about in the evening. We've just recently had half term and it was exceptionally busy. The whole town was absolutely buzzing and new shops have opened and more people are definitely visiting the area. The Red Boat Ice Cream Parlour has been here for 4 years now, and we've continued with investment and grown and managed to take on more staff this year, and we've got projects in the pipeline to carry on growing the business.
Mae yna bobl wedi cael budd o'r gwaith yma, oherwydd mae yna swyddi wedi cael eu creu. Hefyd, cyfle i bobl leol cael blas o weithgareddau môr. Felly mae wedi bod yn brosiect bach da iawn. Mae rhywbeth sydd yn gwella yr Ynys a gwella beth sydd ar gael o amgylch yr Ynys, yr arfordir i dwristiaid ac i bobl leol, wrth gwrs, yn mynd i wella a hybu yr Ynys fel cyrchfan i ddod ar wyliau.